Hello, and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. We want to talk about the two pathways here. Obviously, the price is moving up as expected. We finally have a break above these previous swing highs. Yeah, a break above the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement and the swing highs from Monday and Wednesday. Now, in the last video, I explained to you that my view is, should we break above these two highs, which is expected sooner or later anyway, then we should open the door towards the $3,165 level. The market is already on its way to that level. The nearest Fibonacci support zone at the moment is between 29.21 and 29.84. And we are moving up nicely. I mean, we could probably even draw a price channel here, which is probably not that well defined, or at least it's a very fragile one. But yeah, we move in this price channel. Definitely something to watch. The market is basically in a local uptrend within a larger downtrend. That's the idea. We have already touched the resistance area on Monday for the first time, then again on Wednesday, and now we broke above it. And as I said, the nearest Fibonacci support area is defined here. I showed it to you already, which is basically where the lower boundary line is of that trend channel. So we could easily retest it and then grind higher again. Now, let me explain in both scenarios, as you know, or in both of these roadmaps, because it's essentially the same scenario, yeah. But both of these roadmaps suggest higher prices, yeah, in this wave 4 scenario. I was very, very clear about it, that from the Friday low, I'm watching for higher prices and a move at least to the 3165 level. Why? Because this is an ideal target for a fourth wave. It can easily go higher, doesn't have to, but the market was very oversold. Again, it was oversold on the daily. I have to say, I haven't got anything at the moment that gives me any evidence that this is something more bullish, more aggressively bullish than simply a wave 4 bounce. I just don't have any evidence for it. This is not impulsive, yeah. Maybe in the subwaves here and there we are looking at some impulses, but overall this is not impulsive. And the moves are basically unfolding as we expected, basically in a corrective, messy structure, overlaps, choppy price action. And this is just nothing that we would normally see in a really, really aggressive, impulsive rally. So no real surprises there. That in itself means that the price action can easily change and can be interpreted in different ways, because whenever we're dealing with ABC structures, it's important to understand that different interpretations are possible. Now, I really only have two here that I show you, even though I'm watching many more, but the main ones here are the yellow count, which is the more directly bullish one, in which we saw a wave A and a wave B, and this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. Possible. Or the A wave is about to be finished, then we get a B wave pullback, and then a C wave up. So that's why we have an upper micro support area and a lower main support area, but both of them are actually allowing for higher prices. At least we can watch first the upper support. If that breaks, lower support is basically the backup plan, yeah? And as long as the market holds above the 78.6 retracement here at $2,700, as long as we're doing that, I'm going to watch for higher prices, yeah? So that's currently still according to plan. Microstructures can shift on the smallest time frames, but overall, the market is currently following the roadmap here to our 3165 level, which is the 38.2 retracement. I gotta say, in the very, very short term, this here looks like a micro bull flag. We could even get one more upside extension here in this move to the upside, which started here today, yeah? One more high would be likely to complete here a 5-wave sequence, either in the blue C wave or the yellow A wave. That's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel, and also feel free to join our community. We're currently offering our Black Friday week discount for 20% off our annual memberships. Especially interesting might be the gold membership if you want to be kept up to date. You get lots of live updates on Discord for all of our charts. You get a lot of TradingView chart links, yeah, that I use every single day. You can ask questions, connect to the community. We've got thousands of traders and investors in our community. It's a very active community. We have weekly live streams and much more. Feel free to check it out. I put the links in the comment section for you. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.